Hello students, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Students, you all open page number 21 in your textbook and see activity number 6. I'll read the instructions. You all listen carefully. Lakshman prepared a set of cards to show how to make lemon sharbat, but he forgot to write the instructions for each card. Write the instructions in the blanks. So students, ચાલો હવે આપણે લક્ષ્મણને હેલ્પ કરીએ. Students, here is the first picture. Mix all the ingredients. The instruction for second card is cut the lemons, and the instruction for card number 3 is take out seeds from the glass. Now we are going towards card number 4, and the instruction is pour some water into the glass. Did you write these all instruction correctly, students? Let's see the 5th card. And here is instruction. Add some sugar to the water. Okay, students? Clear? Now we are going towards card number 6. And here is our instruction. Add some salt to the water. And the last instruction is squeeze lemon into the water. So students, you can see all the instructions on the screens.
Now let us see what is the correct sequence. ચાલો આપણે એક સાથે જોઈએ. What is the correct order? Observe the pictures carefully. Pour, first picture. Second picture, you can take the help of hint words also. Very good. Third picture. Which is the fourth? Tell me. Very good. Cut the lemon. Fourth picture. What would be the fifth picture? Very good. After cutting, squeeze the lemon. Sixth picture. Tell me. Very good. Take out the seeds. And last, only one picture is left. Very good. Mix. First instruction for the first picture. Pour. Look at the word. Pour became poured. Poured water in the glass. Now, second picture. Can you guess the instruction? Here comes the instruction. Add became added. Added sugar to the water. A D D E T, added. Now third picture and the instruction. Added salt to the water. Now the fourth instruction. Yes, many of you can come up with the instructions now. Cut the lemon. Cut. Look at the word carefully. Cut will remain cut only. C-U-T. Cut. Cut the lemon. Now the fifth instruction. Squeezed the lemon. S Q U E E Z E D. Squeezed the lemon. Students, squeeze became squeezed. Squeezed the lemon. Now the sixth instruction. Take out the seeds became took out the seeds. T O O K. Took out the seeds. Now can you guess the last instruction? Mix. So what will be the instruction? Tell me quickly. Yes, you have guessed it right. Mixed the ingredients. Mixed. M I X E D. Mixed. So the process is complete. Let's move on to part B of activity 6. Now open page number 21 અને જોઈએ what is the correct order. There is place given in your textbook. Arrange the sentences. Read the process of lemon sherbet. First instruction is already written. Lakshman poured some water in the glass. What will be the second instruction? He added A D D E D. Added sugar to the water. W A T E R. He added sugar to the water. Let us write the third instruction. What did Lakshman do next? He added A D D E D. Added salt. S A L T. Salt to the water. Write in good handwriting. Now the fourth instruction. What did he do next? Yes, he cut. C U T. Cut the lemon. L E M O N. He cut the lemon. All of you are writing with me. Write in good handwriting. Let's write the fifth instruction. What did he do next? He squeezed. Spelling S Q U E E Z E D. Squeezed the lemon. L E M O N. He squeezed the lemon. Now the sixth instruction. You can take the hint from the part A of the activity 6. Just above this activity, he took. T O O K. Took out the seeds. S E E D S. He took out the seeds. બધા સાથે લખો છો ને? ચલો હવે છેલ્લું ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન. What did he do last? Yes, He mixed, M-I-X-E-D, mixed the ingredients. Spelling is INGREDIENTS. Now let's move on to task C of activity 6. Some questions are given in this task. Let's read the questions and answer them. Here is the first question. What did Lakshman use to mix sugar? Answer is Lakshman used spoon to mix the sugar. Students, let's see the second question. How much of sugar did Lakshman add? Answer is Lakshman added some sugar. Students, you can also write the answer as Lakshman added 1 spoon of sugar. Question number 3. At what time did Lakshman use spoon? Here are the pictures for your help. So Lakshman used a spoon for these many things. He used spoon for taking the seeds, adding the sugar and salt, and at last mixing the ingredients. So you can write answer as he used a spoon to add sugar and salt. Another option could be he used a spoon to take out the seeds. Or you can write Lakshman used a spoon to mix the ingredients. All the answers are correct. Don't worry. Lakshman used a spoon for 3 things. Question number 4. What did Lakshman do after squeezing the lemon? Here is the picture for your help. Now write the answer on the basis of this picture. Answer is Lakshman took out the seeds after squeezing the lemon. Let's move on to the last question. Why did Lakshman add salt in it? Students, why do we add salt or sugar in anything? Yes, for taste. So the answer is Lakshman added salt for the taste. Students, through this activity we learnt how to write the instructions for lemon sharbat.
Unit number 2, activity 7, page number 22. Materials: half cut plastic jar, 2 screws, copper wire, 2 test tubes, dry battery cell or 6-volt battery, and sulfuric acid. Procedure: take a plastic jar, half cut as shown in the figure. Make 2 holes at the bottom. Fit the holes with the screws. Remember, there should not be any water leakage. Join the outer ends of the screws with a battery or a dry cell. This is our voltmeter. Now fill half of the voltmeter with pure water. Add 4 or 5 drops of sulfuric acid, the water will become a good conductor. Dear students, did you listen the experiment carefully? Let us try to perform that. For that, we require some material.
Materials: half-cut plastic jar, 2 screws, copper wire, 2 test tubes, dry battery cell or 6-volt battery and sulfuric acid. Procedure: take a plastic jar, half cut as shown in the figure. Make 2 holes at the bottom. Fit the holes with the screws. Remember, there should not be any water leakage. Join the outer ends of the screws with a battery or a dry cell. This is our voltmeter. Now, fill half of the voltmeter with pure water. Add 4 or 5 drops of sulfuric acid. The water will become a good conductor. Activity 8. Mega Ride. Gujarat is a progressive state. Ahmedabad is the largest city and center of business in Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. About 50,000 people every day travel between these two capitals, old and new. So, we need a good transport facility. The government of Gujarat planned for a new railway project. The government started a rupees 2,000 crores company for that project. The name of the company is Mega, Metro Link Express for Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad. The cost for this project is about rupees 1,200 crores. This metro rail project has 2 phases. In the first phase, there will be 3 lines: North-South Corridor, East-West Corridor and Underground Corridor. Total length of all the 3 lines will be 76 km. The North-South Corridor will connect Ashram Road to Gandhinagar. This corridor will be 32.65 meters long. It will start from APMC Vasana on National Highway 8A. It will pass through Vasana, Paldi, VS Hospital and Town Hall. This line will cross the East-West Corridor at Income Tax Junction. It will turn a little left near Koba Circle and will run towards Gandhinagar. There are 2 more junctions on this line, InfoCity and Gift City. There will be 31 stations on this corridor. Now, let us go on the East-West Corridor. It will start from Kalupur. It will run through the main areas of Ahmedabad. Then, the line will turn south towards IT Circle. It will go towards Commerce Crossing. Thaltej Crossing will be the last station of this route. It will be the terminus on East-West Corridor. Total length of this line will be 10.90 kilometers. It will connect the eastern and western Ahmedabad. Most of the metro route will be on pillars and over bridges. This will be called elevated route. The travelers will enjoy the beautiful scenes in the town. It will be a lovely view to see metro trains running on elevated tracks. You will be able to travel without tickets in this metro rail. You can use smart card facility. You can enter a station with your smart card. You swipe the smart card at your exit station. The system will automatically count the travel charges. The trains will run without drivers. But you need not worry. Technology will take care of your safety. CBTC, Communications-Based Train Control Signaling Technology will make your travel safe. All the metro cars will be air-conditioned. The train will travel at the maximum speed of 110 km per hour. Ready for the ride?
આ જ એક્ટિવિટીમાં B, C અને D સેક્શન પણ છે, તે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ કરશે. પ્લીઝ ઓપન યોર ટેક્સ્ટ બુક, પેજ નંબર 25. Go to activity 9A. I am reading the instruction for you. A. Work in groups of 4. Plan a one-day trip with low cost and lots of fun. Select an option for each question. Wherever you are, make a group of 4 friends. Now, in this activity 9A, we have 3 questions, and for each question, we have 3 options. You have to select one option for each question. Let us read the first question. Where will you go? Nearby farm, nearby bazaar, or nearby water park? Now friends, decide. Where will you go? Hey, while deciding, keep in mind our condition. The trip should be low cost. Have you decided? Let's move to the next question. How will you go? On the bicycle, by shared rickshaw, or by friend's car? Which transportation facility will you use? Have you decided? Let's move to the third question. What will you carry? Fruits, ready-made snacks, raw material for cooking. Okay, you have decided the place. What will you do there? Will you play there? Will you buy things? Will you bargain? Will you observe? Will you cook? And then after cooking, cleaning. So you can select any of the words from the screen and write it down at the given place in the textbook. હવે આપણે total cost of the trip calculate કરીએ. ચાલો friends, as you know, I and my friends have decided to go to the bazaar, and the fare to go to the bazaar is 25 rupees to and fro. So it will be the cost. What will be the cost of our trip? The ticket fare from my place to the bazaar to and fro, return fare is 25 rupees. So I have wrote 25 rupees. And point number 2 is food items on the way. પણ અમે તો બજારમાં જવાના છીએ. We have a very short trip, so we are not going to carry any food. Our option is nil. Write down your options. Point 2 માટે તમારો ઓપ્શન શું છે, તમે શું કેરી કરવાના છો અને એનો ચાર્જ શું થશે એ ખાસ લખજો. The third point is lunch. આપણે દૂર જતા હોઈએ તો લંચ તો લેવું જ પડે, તો એની કોસ્ટ શું થઈ એ જોવાનું છે. અને અમે તો બજાર જઈએ છીએ, સો અમારો લંચ પણ નથી, તો અમારો લંચ કોસ્ટ પણ નીલ છે. પોઈન્ટ નંબર 4, સાઇટ સીઈંગ ટિકિટ્સ. લેટ્સ સી પોઈન્ટ નંબર 5, શોપિંગ. અમારા શોપિંગના એક્સપેન્સીસ અમે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કર્યા છે 300 રૂપીઝ. પોઈન્ટ નંબર 6, auto fares. So our auto fare will be around 70 rupees. We have wrote 70 rupees here. Point 7 is miscellaneous expenses. કોઈ એવો અણધાર્યો ખર્ચ આવી ગયો જે અમે આગળ ધ્યાને નથી લીધો, તો એનો અંદાજ લગાવીને અમે અહીંયા 50 rupees કન્સિડર કર્યા છે. Let us check the total of our cost. It is 445 rupees. What will be the total cost of your trip? We are starting the B section. It's just below the A section on page number 25. You have started a company of biscuit, chocolate, bike, clothes. Prepare a logo for your company. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, નીચે ગુજરાતીમાં પણ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન આપી છે. આ એક્ટિવિટી માટે તમે તમારી પાસે જે યુઝડ આઇટમ્સ હોય એના રેપર્સ સેમ્પલ માટે લાવી શકો છો.
Poem Tree Huggers. Really is it now just like a big balloon, a prayer to reach the mountains of the moon? Really is it now just like a big balloon, a prayer to reach the mountains of the moon? To citizens of earth, alas we say, go find yourself a tree to hug today. To citizens of earth, alas we say, go find yourself a tree to hug today. And if a grown-up says, don't be a fool, or is that what they're teaching you in school? And if a grown-up says, don't be a fool, or is that what they're teaching you in school? Just find this poem and read this simple rhyme. Just find this poem and read this simple rhyme. It's cool to hug a tree from time to time. Children, this is how the world can be, making Earth Plan A and not Plan B. Children, this is how the world can be, making Earth Plan A and not Plan B. Wear change, share change, sing change, bring change, and start by hugging a tree. And start by hugging a tree.
તો મજા કરતા કરતા મજાની બાય બાય.
Today's question: we can travel in mega trains with blank. For blank, options are here. Option A, a ticket. Option B, a smart card. Option C, a crossing. Option D, a driver. For blank, choose your correct answer and send your response to this toll-free number 63573994.